Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to delete a database within Notion. So first of all, you of course need to add a database. So just press enter and then press slash and then type, for example, table, and tap on table view under database, press enter, and here you can add, for example, a new database, and let's call this test database. Right, and if you want to delete this whole database, for example, you have a lot of databases, or you accidentally made two, for example, but you just want to delete it. Now that's very easy. You just need to go to those three dots in the upper right corner. So you see edit view, layout, grouping, and more. Tap on this, and here you see a lot of options pop up. But what you need to do is you need to scroll all the way down, as you can see, and here you see delete view. So if you have multiple views, you need to delete those views manually. But if you have only one view, like in this case, you can just tap on delete view. Are you sure you want to delete this view? Yes, delete, and boom, now the database is gone. You can try and search for it again, but yeah, it won't pop up because it's deleted. You can restore it when you go to the trash, and this way you can get your database back. But now you have basically deleted this database. So I hope this was kind of helpful. If so, please subscribe to the channel, and I see you guys very, very soon. Bye bye.